welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and yes, we've got a new tech for today, so to unbox, right? And this is I bought from the AliExpress. So I got a new mini drone, right? So so this is this a new one, right? So we've got this the box from right here, and let's go gonna have to check. Yeah, it's so lightweight, right? So because it is a mini drone, so I think this is the knockoff version of the DJI, right? DJI drone, the small DJI drone. So this is the knockoff version. Okay, so let's go gonna have to take a look of this new DJI drone of mine. So I'm gonna have to use this also into my aerial shoot of my when sometimes I am also in biking, right? So okay, here we go, guys. So let's go gonna have to check it out, and let's go gonna check this mini drone. Okay. So alright, here it goes. Here it goes. So let's go gonna have to open this up. Okay, so yeah, it's nice and a small box right over here. Oh, okay, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to open the box. Alright. And also let's go gonna have to test this one, right? So I'm gonna have to test this here in the room. So I'm gonna have to test this in the room. Okay, what is this one? So number GT3, made in China. Oh, okay, that's not bad. All right, here we go. So we got the drone, smart drone GT3. All right, so mini drone. What is this on? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to like that one. So okay, so we've got the drone mini, cool LED light, large capacity of battery, and aerial camera. Oh, okay, what is this one right over here? So we've got some aerial camera, drone mini. What is this one? Obstacle avoidance. Okay, headless mode, gesture manipulation. Okay, cool LED light, optical flow, fixed point hover, photo and video, large capacity, and up RC. Okay, yeah, here it goes. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so we've got the manual over here. So, okay, we're gonna have to check that out for the oh, nice. Okay, I like this. Okay, I'm gonna keep the box. Okay, and also they got the okay, what is this? This is the manual. So for the app, to download the app, okay, I'm gonna have to put that one right over here. Okay, okay, iOS, Android, and Google Play. So Android and Google Play are the same, right? So why they have to separate the Android and Google Play? So Android is from Google, right? So okay, so this is the Google Play. So I'm gonna have to because I am charging my phone, so I'm gonna have to, you know, right? So I'm gonna have to oops, okay, gonna have to check that one over here. Okay, we placed our link. What is this one? What Wi-Fi UAV? And this one? I think I'm gonna have to install this one, Wi-Fi UAV. Okay, so since we is on installing, so I'm gonna have to charge my phone. Okay, and then let's go. I'm gonna have to check this drone right over here. So this is the drone, okay, itself. Okay, this okay, this for the phone. Okay, and then also it's so hard to take off the okay. Here it goes. Okay, here it goes. We've got the small right one GT3 drone. So yeah, and also we've got the camera over here, and I believe what I saw in the video, there's also a camera. I think this one right here. So there's no SD card, right? Because you just have to you just have to use your phone to record the video, right? So let's go gonna have to check the controller and also the accessories for this one. Okay, we've got some, yeah, USB cable. Yes, we got the USB Type C. Okay, and then we've got the phone clip for the phone, right? We've got the clip for the phone, and also the we've got the controller right over here. Okay, nice. Okay, so in order for you to use this one is you have to, okay, this one right over here. In order for you to put this on, right, is there a battery? Yeah, still need a battery. Okay, a battery operated remote control. Okay, so this one right here is, I'm gonna have to put this one, okay, how to put this on. Okay, okay, how to put this on. Okay, so okay, here it goes. The phone is already here. So, and then I think it's already installing, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out. So okay, let's go, gonna have to agree, start. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put on my phone, right? So I'm gonna have to put the phone. Oops. Okay, put that phone. Here it goes. So yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna have to put some battery on it. Okay, I'm gonna have to put a battery. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to put some battery on it. It's AAA battery, so it is not a rechargeable remote control, right, than the original drone from the DJI, right? So let's go, gonna have to, wait, here it goes, the sound. Okay, we've got some sound over here. Yes, what is this one? Okay, it's really on. So how to, okay, so first is I'm gonna have to check the drone also, right? Okay, we've got right here, I think it's gonna be the battery for this one. Okay, let's go, gonna check it out. Okay, got the manual over here for the English version. Okay, I think it's in the other side of the it's all Chinese. Okay, but it's also in English. Open the remote control battery cover, remote control battery installation, and then signal connection of transmitter and receiver. Okay, turn on the drone and place it on a level surface. The indicator light of transmitter and the LED of drone flashing. Push the, what is that? Push the throttle joystick to the highest point, then push back to the lowest point. Transmitter calibration, and then right joystick, and yeah, start one key ascent and one key landing. So, and then right joystick, hover, right, and then speed in light control, fine tuning function. Okay, okay. I get it. Okay, so I already get it. So, I think this is the battery, right? Okay, here it goes. And we've got the charger right over here. So I think it's full battery, right? So let's hope that it's I hope that it is worth gonna be battery, right? So I'm gonna have to put this on the floor so that you will see. Okay, all right, as you can see, here it goes. So I'm gonna have to, okay, okay, it's not, it's still not, you know, Okay. Okay, still at work. Okay, still not okay. But it's already been, right? So I just have to find, okay, gonna have to check the menu again, okay? How to turn it on, okay? Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Okay, still not. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's working. So I'm gonna have to push it on. Okay. All right. Yes, perfect. Okay. Okay, very good. So first I'm gonna have to, I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to check the video for this one, right? So since it is not working for the video, so how to turn on the video, right? So so just it for today, right? So just it for today. All right. So all right. So okay. So yeah, this is pretty good. So this is a decent one, right? So this a decent one, pretty good. So I'm gonna have to study how to use the. Okay, I'm gonna have to study how to use the manual, how to use for the camera, right? How to use for the video, how to use for the aerial video for this one, right? So since it is working already, and so also got right here we got the camera in the video, and also another camera right over here. I think this one right here, another camera right over here. So and also we've got the battery in here, so you have to, and so that you have to charge it up. So only one battery for this one. So I think I'm gonna have to find I'm gonna have to find another battery so that I can replace it, right? So if it is on low bat, right? Low battery. So this one is really good, neat, and pretty decent one. Nice drone, right? So we've got also the controller for this one, which is also good, and it also a clip for your phone, which you have to clip, right? So it's also need an internet, I think, right? So yeah, this was pretty good and pretty neat. So nice one. I really like it. So okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you again in the next video.